This short guide explains how to buy shares of Tianci International Inc. Tianci is an industrial manufacturer listed on the NASDAQ as CIIT, and this is an educational overview, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as the example to show the process. After registering, you'll verify your account, usually with an ID document, and you must add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search box and type the ticker CIIT to find Tianci International Inc. Select the matching NASDAQ listing to open the correct stock page. On the stock page, review the basic company profile and the price chart to confirm this is the right security. Check the company details, market, and the CIIT symbol before proceeding. To place an order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to purchase, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if you lack funds, eToro will prompt you to add them before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order is processed or queued. For convenience, the eToro link is in the video description if you want to review the platform.